Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline and today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial for beginners only. So once you're done moisturizing your face, you will need a primer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 356 and it's called Warm Coconut. With my LA Pro concealer in Fawn. I will go in with my face powder and that's in 350. After that, you're going to use your lip pencil. So you can use a dark brown lip pencil or a black lip pencil. Like, subscribe and leave a comment to support my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.